Hi Greenbrier East families, this is Mrs. Brugert from the library. Today I'm going to show you 3 ways that you can access the online catalog and your child's account at home. The first way and easiest way is to actually go directly to the fcps.edu website. Type that in, and on the main page you will notice there is a library icon. Click on that and it'll take you to the library resource page. Scroll down and you will see a button for the FCPS Library Catalog. When you click on that, that's going to open up Destiny, but it's going to be opening up Destiny for every single school in the county, so you're going to have to go through and scroll to find Greenbrier East on the list to open up our specific catalog. Here we are. Click on that and now you will be directly into the Greenbrier East Library Catalog, searching Greenbrier East Library Collection. The second way you can access our library catalog is to go on the Greenbrier East webpage. Again, find the tab for library, click on that, and you're going to scroll down to find the icon that says the Destiny Library Catalog. When you click on that, it'll take you directly to the Greenbrier East Library Catalog, so you will not have to search. The final way you can access our library catalog is if your child has their school issued laptop at home. On their desktop screen, they will have the icon for the Destiny Library Catalog. The student only needs to click on the Destiny Library Catalog to take them directly to our Greenbrier East Library Catalog homepage. Once you are here and you see that it says Greenbrier East Elementary School, you can search for what books we have in our collection, what books are checked in, and what books are checked out. If you want to get more specific and see exactly what your child has checked out, on hold, or any bills, you're going to need to log in. To do that, you're going to go over here and click on Log In. From this page, you have 2 choices. You want the Fairfax County Public School blue button. Click on that to log in. Once you're at the Access Manager, you know you're in the right place. So username and password are the exact same username and password that students use to log into their computers every day. Username is the student's ID number, and password is the password they came up with this year at the beginning of the school year during computer training. So students are to type in their number and their password. If you have any questions about student ID numbers, you can contact your teacher to get your child's number. And passwords, again, your child should know their password, but if you need any support, again, contact your child's homeroom teacher who can guide you into the right direction to find out what password your child has. So type in your username, which again for students is a number. For me, it'll be just log in. Once you log in, you will notice that it will welcome you by your child's first name. You know you're logged in. And the screen will look exactly the same. The only difference is when you go up here to what I like to call the hamburger, when you click it out, it'll give you some choices. One of the most important choices is checkouts. When you click on this button, it'll show you every book your child has checked out at this moment and when they are due. If the book your child has checked out is overdue or you would like to renew it, you may select the Renew button. Please understand that you can only renew every book 2 times, and that is it. If the book is on hold by another student, the book will not allow you to renew. You may also go and see what books your child has on hold by clicking on Holds. Our rules for holds are students can only put up to 2 books on hold at a time. And if they don't want it, they need to unselect it. To put a book on hold, you're going to search for the book up in the search bar. Let's see. Find the book. It has to be checked out to put a hold on it. And just click on the hold button. Once you click on the hold button, the book is on hold. Click on the hold icon and you will see it there. Your student will be notified by the library when the book is ready. Finally, if your child has any damaged or lost books, you will see the fine selection here, and you'll need to contact the library for payment. If you have any questions, concerns, or issues with our library catalog, please feel free to contact the Greenbrier East Library and ask for Mrs. Brugert. Thanks and have a great day.